안녕하세요 친구들, 내 채널 다시 오신 것을 환영합니다. Today's nail art is requested by Lizzy, and it's inspired by Pow Pow of the K-pop group Elris. I will be trying to do this LOVE backgrounds on my nails, and on my thumbnail I'll be trying to do the word Pow. I painted my nails with these colors and then I'll let them all dry. Now I'm gonna be painting the background of each frame from the LOVE part of the music video. Let them all dry, and now I'll be using an acrylic paint in doing the letters LOVE. Paint another layer for opacity. Then for the thumbnail, I'll be doing the word Pow. Now let them all dry and apply top coat. And now here's my Pow Pow by Elris inspired nail art. I hope you like it, Lizzy, and I hope everyone likes it too. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to give this video lots of love by hitting the like button and by also sharing it. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!